Hi, welcome to this week's Java with Jason, your weekly real estate and mortgage update. Geez, it's already May out there and the market is really heating up. So today I want to share with you 5 tactics that you can do as a buyer to make sure you have a smooth closing. So getting the house is just the first step. So once you get that contract, you want to make sure that you close on time. And these are 5 things to make sure that process goes very smooth for you. So number 1, make sure you gather your income and asset documents for your lender early in the process. The more that you're ready with your W-2s, paycheck stubs, tax returns, things like that, the better for your lender and the better for you. It'll help your process go much smoother. Number 2, choose a lender early in the process, okay? Appraisals are taking about 9 to 10 days right now. So if you get a 30-day contract and you go shopping for 5 days, your appraisal won't be ordered until about halfway through your option period, which could cause an issue later on down the road. We found that if we order that appraisal quickly, and you choose your lender quickly, most of the time that process is much smoother than waiting later in the process. And what you'll find with lenders is because of the government regulation that once you slice it up and you look at all the different estimates, everyone's very, very close. So choose a lender that you know and trust and maybe one that you've been referred to. Number 3, get your money for closing. Get it ready early in the process, because if you have an out-of-state bank or you have an out-of-state credit union, sometimes it takes a while for those funds to get there. Sometimes they will not wire the money if you're not there physically, so do not wait till the last week before closing to get ready to wire money in and that type of stuff. Talk to your 401k provider, talk to your bank early in the process of how long it's going to take to get those funds to the closing table. Number 4, the summertime is coming and family vacations are coming, and I realize that sometimes you just cannot you schedule these family vacations a year in advance. And so if you're buying a house and you go on vacation, it happens all the time, please make sure you're accessible to your realtor and to your lender, because throughout the process, you're going to be asked for items 3 or 4 more times during the contract phase. It's very important for you to be accessible and get those items back to your lender and to your realtor very, very fast. So just make sure you're accessible. Number 5, work with your realtor, your title company, and your lender as a team, okay? So there has to be constant communication throughout the process. One thing that we do is we call our clients every single Tuesday, and our realtors communicate very, very well. And we also pick up the phone when you're making that offer on the house. We pick up the phone and call the listing agent and tell them how great your loan is. So we have found that this has worked very, very well, and make sure your closing goes very, very smooth as well too. So these are 5 easy tactics that you could do just to make sure you get to the closing table smooth, and that if you're selling and buying a house, there's less stress. So have a great week, and most of all, have fun shopping for the house and enjoy the process. It's a very fun time in your life, and call us if you need anything. Have a great week.